Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So I am doing a collaboration for a Tray for Santa 2019. And the instructions were we had to have a fresh baked or store-bought cookie, a letter to Santa, and we had to include the hostess channels. And we had to wear Christmas PJs or our favorite PJs. So I'm going to give my shout out to I will have their names and their links in the description box down below. Make sure you go over and check out their channel. Give them a thumbs up on their video. So these are my pajamas that I got from Walmart, and they were $11.82. And you see the bottoms. They have like the plaid, and a little jogger around your ankle. This is my tray for Santa. These are fresh chocolate chip cookies. That has always been a favorite of mine as a child. Every time my mom made cookies, I always would get to be able to lick the spoon. And to this day, in my 50s, I still love chocolate chip cookies. So these are fresh baked, and they are sitting on my grateful plates. And then I also have the blessed plates. Got these from Walmart, I believe back in September, and they were less than $2 a piece. Pink and white coffee mug, and then Santa has a plain white one. I have some equal inside in the sugar bowl, and then I'll just put some creamer inside the creamer. I do have, just in case they decide they can make coffee, and I have tea bags with it. Because you know Santa has a long journey. Now we were also to state, write a Dear Santa letter. So my letter to Santa, which will be going into 2020, is that I am grateful to be breathing. I am blessed. I am thankful for my sons, my grandchildren. I am thankful to be able to work from home and I don't have to commute anymore. I am grateful to have my husband who deals with my ups and downs and some of my illnesses that I go through on a regular basis. And I am blessed to still have my mom. I lost my father April of this year, 2019, and my grandmother in 2014. So I do have my mom. She's in New Jersey. And, you know, I'm grateful for my brothers and sisters that are in New Jersey that are, you know, taking care of her. And I'm grateful for my little brother. So that is my Dear Santa letter. I just pray that everyone will be safe and will have compassion and sincerity in their hearts and care about other people and their feelings going into 2020. So I would like to thank everyone for allowing me to be in this open invite. And again, here is my tray. So thank you for watching. Make sure to look in the description box so you can go over and review all the other links. Please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell so you'll get my notifications, and subscribe if you haven't already. That way you don't miss out on any of the collaborations or challenges that I upload here on my page. And always remember, if it ain't cheap, we ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.